I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva AI. Canva's artificial intelligence tools are designed to simplify your design process, making creation faster and more intuitive. These powerful features are seamlessly integrated into the platform, allowing you to generate stunning visuals, compelling text, and even full presentations with just a few clicks. It's an easy method to elevate your design work. To begin using Canva's AI, first open any design, whether it's a new project or an existing one you're refining. On the left-hand side of your editor, you'll find the Magic Studio or Apps section. Simply click on this area to reveal a variety of AI-powered tools. From there, select the specific feature you wish to employ, like Magic Write for text or Magic Media for images. One of the most useful AI features is Magic Write, which helps you generate text for various design elements. To use it, simply type a clear and concise prompt detailing the kind of content you need, such as a headline or a paragraph about a specific topic. The AI will then quickly provide you with several distinct text options, allowing you to choose the best fit for your design. Another incredible AI tool is Magic Media, which allows you to create unique images from simple text descriptions. Just type a detailed prompt describing the image you envision, including elements like colors, subjects, and settings. The AI will then generate several visual options for you. You can also select different artistic styles and aspect ratios to perfectly match your design's aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.